and good night, depending on where you are watching me from. Actually, I suppose we may be on a broadcast today, if not because of the matter on the ground. I suppose we may be na live today, because today Kelly the Ogam, the other guy made a video sometime that no Ogam, the other go Ogam Ojeni Zambia, and they not only that no Ogam go no put in Nemoshi or the one day my mom, the same father, the same mother. So the burial taking my time today. I'm exhausted because I've been moving around from morning till night. But for the sake of the lovers of Ogechi, for the sake of all the people, my phone kept on ringing. Oh my God. My phone kept on ringing the whole of today. I concentrate with home. People were calling me from America. People were calling me from all over, from Congo, from Angola. Hey! So, if not because of those lovers of Ogechi and those lovers of truth, Keda Mbatara, even need reach Wolum Mirioko, Wezibutaho, Napula. But nevertheless, a lot of people now about concern about arrest Ogechi. But let me make it very clear. Now, I want to make it very, very clear today, now, this moment, and I am sounding it as a note of warning. Number one criteria for you to get blocked from my page, number one criteria, way food my post now food post na your entire life is after I end this broadcast or within the course of this broadcast. If you ever come to any video menu where drop or comment where is Ogechi, you will be blocked immediately. You will be blocked. And it starts now, not tomorrow. So I'm not begging you to be on my platform. As a matter of fact, Owolona me an enemy of progress. Or even you remain on my platform. The moment I hear Pakam, where is Ogechi Akuna Chicago, Chukwuemenka, instantly you will be blocked from Ezugo Global TV. Having said that, Vivian was arrested. They told us it is for a while. It is only an arrest. Matthias was arrested. They told us it is for a while. It is only an arrest. And the Oplonyepo police. In fact, one of them even told us that no ni wonye Nigeria mananega bo police. A man. Yes. One of them even told us clearly that no negabo police a man. So the lovers of Ogechi, I want to tell you people, arrest of Ogechi or what? You don't need to panic. When Ogechi was arrested on 3rd of January, I came on a live broadcast like this and I told you people that there is no cause for alarm. That arrest is a normal thing. I still stand on Efa Hunkulu on that first broadcast in Mekiri when Ogechi was arrested at first. And I still stand on that today. Arrest is not the end. Anybody can be arrested, including me. But the only thing I'm telling you people is that there is no panic you people should not panic. For those people who are calling me, there is only 1, 2, or 3 things you can do when you get arrested in Nigeria here. And that is exactly what we are doing. So, for those people who say, no Ogechi, no Jewenanga, no Jewenanga, happen ndi uriho. Happen ndi uriho. Happen ndi uriho. There is no cause for alarm. Ogechi was arrested. She came out. Arrest is not conviction. That one is very sure. Arrest is not conviction. You should not panic. The same way Matthias is Abuja Bata. The same way VDM Siweja Abuja Bata. That same way Ogechi Abuja Bata. Unless na arrest or what was any mad. Unless na arrest adokwazina equal to Igbo mad. Unless na ndegwalaye na Matthias arrest. No, unless na arrest ya elugo na nke Ogechi change. Unless na the same arrest ya emelu VDM Orugo na nke Ogechi change. But as far as all the same arrest emelu VDM emelu mathematical one mama Ogechi, it is still the same arrest, and the she will go and come back. The whalers will continue to wear. Mary. Don't see if any need itself. No go na take come out for. Mana kanta wubere. Imagine AC. Banyo kwa baikwa white ya shawa. Okay. You see? So, as I was saying, all na the same arrest MLVDM with the same arrest Emelu Matthias Eotago, the same arrest Emelu Ogechi. There is no cause for alarm. Yes, I celebrated the arrest of Matthias. You can go ahead and celebrate the arrest of Ogechi. It is your business. The same way I celebrated the arrest of Matthias, it is my business. So I will not stop you from celebrating. I will not stop you from enjoying. I will not stop you from doing anything. It is your choice and it is your liberty. One thing is sure. I stand with Ogechi. Gidigba. Henceforth, if you come to my page and comment nonsense about Ogechi, my own free VDM, my own free Matthias, my own free Ogechi protest is to block you immediately. That is the protest. Nemena arrest Ogechi. Okay, let us stop that immediately. Let us start that. George Rapuruchukwu, off you go. Career. Yes, confirm. Miriam Shisum, off you go. You see, some of you are wahife. Ufadu ni mu na enwe brain. Ufadu ni mu na enwe sense. Either say you celebrated the arrest of Matthias. Abangrame celebrated it. In fact, I celebrated it. I drank wine. You are free to go and drink wine and arrest Ogechi. Who cares? Who cares? your mother, who cares about how you feel? Or who cares? I don't care. I don't care for one day. You are free to celebrate the arrest of Ogechi the same way I celebrated the arrest of Matthias. Yes. So in go maybe some years ago, your madam has been arrested. Your this one, you I am telling you clearly. I was celebrating the arrest of Matthias. Now my page. I did not come to your page. I was celebrating it from my page. I did not hide it. I posted it all through until Opota. Even self, I'm on Yamu Opota, will filter, will make broadcast as Matthias. You can do the same. Yes, if Majesty Shimo Atoro, again, but you were mocking Matthias. Who ntị kịta ka nghọta na ọhụrụ na mmadụ kịta ka nghọta n'ife ụfọdụ ji eme imecha broadcast ha na-eme ka asị na ha anụghị ife ikwu, but you were mocking Matthias. I mean, that is exactly what I am saying here. Did you not hear me say it? Did you not hear me say it? I said my own protest. Godwin Chimezie, this is the right time to block you. I'm waiting for you. Type nonsense. I want you to drop nonsense comment here. Hey, what I go? Okay. Emeka Chizoba, have a good day from my page. Have a good day from my page. Hey, what I go? If a very dark man withdraw your money, withdraw your money from GTB Bank, right? My own campaign of Reuse Ogechi will block them. That is my own campaign. I will celebrate the arrest of Matthias more than 1 million times. Celebrate Yanko Ogechi 1 million times. Who cares? Who cares? Godwin Chimeze, this is the least you can be doing. I am waiting for you. Yes, the protest here be done. I will drop. They bakam. English. Oh no, they have arrested Ogechi. 1 kobo in one account. You are laughing because they arrested Ogechi. 1 kobo na really $60 you don't have. You don't care. Every day. Ogechi. On afternoon. On ichugola. Ogechi. Some of you do shameless. You want to go? Some of you do actually shameless. Some of you do actually shameless. Odoka asunu mulonu ne nazo na ya arrest Ogechi ogono. And so what? Ogechi was arrested when she came to Nigeria. We all turned out for her. I said it. Even that time. I arrested Ogechi. That even at the end of the day, Ogechi did not come out. We will still stand and be happy that at least we stood in for her. That is the difference. Yes. That is the difference. So, it is a reality we have seen. So, Ngomana Abia na page ma Abia celebrate arrest Ogechi. You are if you will because we don't care. We don't care. You want to go? We don't care. Or that why in Bonaro. We are not even bothered. Yeah? Come on, go. Biko oya apụtakwo kedu mgbe oya apụta ntị a na-akọwa ọkọ ka ịnụ na ọpụtago ka i wee bewekwa agbago m unu Free you from bondage. Ogechi Tirigune. Free yourself from that bondage. Ogechi Tirigune. Otherwise, you will keep dwelling in Atakosinobi. Free yourself. It is only you who can free yourself from that bondage. Because some go just will Jeku na bondage. The thing na amigo na illegal. You want to go on amigo na illegal. So I want to be like, you are free to laugh at Ogechi. We don't even care. I've said it before. We don't care. It's not a new thing. What I go? It's not a new thing. You want to go? So, I say, na Bumatayasi, Jeba Abuja, if I Ebunoka, Ebunumata, Iafufo do feka umeri vida. Iafu feka umeri da video. Serego, Oku Munde Ekunoka, Ebuna Anambra State, Ebuni Jeba Abuja. So, we make intimidation. Iafu Mugua umeri, or Potakwe Chini Neketa, or today, why camera cover two. Agogo Mono, no Yama, no on Facebook. A blow Makamua. Hamu gaba na amuro onkwula akwurugom onwe mema akwugari am unless na me decide on my own akwugari. My love for Ogechi is undiluted. Hate me for it, I don't care. Love me for it, kudos to you. I'm telling you, my love and support for Ogechi is 120%. I cannot stop loving her. It doesn't matter. I cannot stop. So it is a fact. Also, J Park said he's coming for you. J Park yeah. My support for Ogechi is 100%, although diluted. I repeat again, it is undiluted. So, if you think somebody like in Mexico, somebody like Mexico, who ofeke amahombreke lunkokwa. Aturo amahive. You think that your hatred for Ogechi can affect my relationship with her? If you will fake when I post anything about VDM, you don't care what some people hold in mind beside VDM. You love him just like that. But you think you can affect my relationship with somebody who should don't know where it stops. If he would the biggest ofeke of all time. If he would the biggest ofeke of all time. And I'm waiting for you. I am waiting for you for the sake of, okay, Emeka Opala, bye-bye. Off you go. Ususuga to corner too much, self. Your nuisance is becoming too much. You want to go? You want to go? I don't need to patronize you for loving who I choose to love. You want to go? I don't need to patronize you for loving who I choose to love. You can love who you choose to love. It is not my business. So, if you hate Ogechi, we are on for her. I support her 150%. Yes, you people should leave Ogechi alone. Yes, you people should leave Ogechi alone. That is the only way Ogechi will leave you people alone. But if you think you can't leave her alone, but you want her to go in silence, does not concern me. But what I know is that I support her 100%. I want all of you to come right now so that I can block all of you. I am blocking you people. So there you dey makam, off you go. Ije fake account. We batabia wash one. You gotta go. You gotta go. Some of us now do genuine when we are making friends. We don't make friends because of what we will get. We make friends and we are true to friendship. We don't betray friends. We don't even make friends because of people's opinion. You gotta go. So, all you say, me ya ate relationship munayo, no you muno Ogechi neme. Off you go. You gotta go. Because what it means is that you don't know what true friendship is. Anamajo, if you think that me gate, me ya would gauge relationship munayo in the altar of Namuno Ogechi Nato, because you hate her, therefore we should all hate her. You think life is like that? Life is not like that. You gotta go. So the news I have for you is that celebrate and drink your wine the same way I drank wine, Nisi Matthias. You are free. I'm gonna go I for once. Only in the shame pot I can be the warrior. No, nturu si ebe mgbe arese Matthias. Adam ebu di ori ahu. Igotago Adam ebu di ori ahu. Isheta ko even gwalawo. Igotago isheta ko even gwalawo mgbe ha arese Ogechi at first. Agbara ngo sego. No, they are intimidation Ogechi. You will not hear it from Ezugbo mouth. You will not hear it from my mouth. Adama Abopo Lashalopa. And that is Ezugbo. Mbopo only CK before Alashalopa. So it was we buy. Nanto is we arrest Matthias. No wow. Na arrest Matthias. Arrest the Kwenka. I still stand on that. You gotta go? I still stand on that. Wabunye or Yazuzuru Puano. You gotta go. Ofeke dokago. And we feel ebe me. You gotta go. If you will fake. You gotta go. If you will fake. If you will fake. In on our comment section, for thousands of people Hana in for the same Oge you think you hate. Do you think it is only me who love her? If you have differences with Ogechi, go and settle it with her. Leave us out of it. Yes, that is what we are saying. You cannot recruit us to come and fight your battle. You want to go? You want to go? You cannot recruit us if you join Ukutalo. I don't operate that way. I'm operating at zero emotions. Adama operating with emotions. So I will still go straight and look at the reason. If I do, you cannot cry victim when you are not the victim. You cannot be victimizing somebody and not cry victim. You see? If you think Ezugo, arrest Ogechi, you will not deter me with it. I'm telling you. That's the thing. It will not even make me to shake you one bit. Take it from me. It is the reality I am telling you. Yes. People like me and thousands of other people love Ogechi. And there is nothing you can do about it. Yes. The same way she was arrested and she came out. She has been arrested again. And she's going to come out. You know that go? She's going to come out. All we're going to know about her. We still love her. You know that go? All we're going to know Ogechi about her. We still love her like that. How will it be difficult for you people to understand that this is what love is all about? Even if Ogechi Njaka, we still love her. Meaning, go na arrest here. If I will obey or not. No, Jelunga will not even change how we feel about her. So now that you have known that the love is undiluted love, why can't you take your hate to your house? People talk about Matthias. You don't care. What you know is that you love him. People talk about other people. You don't care. What you know is that you love them. You talk about Ogechi. We don't care. What we know is that we love her. And we will always turn up for her, whether you like it or not. It doesn't matter. So, then you now ask me, where is Ogechi? So what? Meaning what? Meaning what? Yeah? Meaning what? Yeah? I want to ask you. So, it doesn't matter. Oh, I laughed at Matthias so loud. Feel free to laugh at Ogechi. Son of my business. I laughed at Matthias. Feel free to laugh at Ogechi. You ought to go. I have my own reservations about Matthias. And for now, it hasn't changed. So you can as well have yours about Ogechi. You ought to go. It can still not change how we feel about her. And that is how life is. You ought to go. That is how life is. You ought to go. That is how life is. You don't go to other people. You don't go to other people to go and bully them. When they serve you a little of what you are dishing to them, you will come out to come and cry foul. That is not how Igbo operate. I've said it. I don't operate. I operate on zero emotion, but I use sense, 100% sense. I use my sense to judge. I don't judge with my emotion. You will still understand this later. Not now. You will understand this later, not now. That is why I arrest Matthias. Intimidation. I love them because they are merely talking out of emotion. Meaning, Ogechi na January that I will never for one day condemn the arrest of Ogechi. I said it, and I'm repeating it again in this second arrest. Because Namo endorsed that the same arrest Matthias who support or that same arrest. Ogechi. So, what is the difference? The only thing I need to do is to support her as a sister. You ought to go. The greatest love would have been to caution her when she was proudly stepping on toes. You are a nice person, but least expected you keeping quiet after her excesses. I will not block you because of one thing. You ought to go. I will not block you because of one thing. Because of one thing, you will block. But my sister, don't push it too far. That is the only thing. Don't push it too far. Because I hate people who are biased with passion. I hate people who are biased with passion. I don't even like those people patronizing me at all. Because your ear is only wide listening to what Ogechi says, but You don't care to listen what people say about her. You will first of all tell me one single thing Ogechi has said about people that people has not said that 20 times about her. You might as well say no on the mother. But before yourself na screen, have you cared to caution those people who cause out Akuna Chicago? Have you cared to caution those people who call her Eberima Chicago? Have you cared to caution those people who calls her all manner of names? Have you cared to caution them one day? I am asking you. But your ear is only open when you hear her talking. But you close it immediately. And you enjoy it when people talk at her. When people are, all manner of alpha. Yes. Your ear is only open. I told you people, I will not be part of this mess on the men at Facebook. I would rather leave Facebook instead of enjoying this nonsense. Harrison Wafo, lover of Ifa Nyoba. Lover of Ifa Nyoba. They comment to Ebo Zokan block wall. Lover of Ifa Nyoba. For Ifa Nyoba Nanya. You suddenly love Ifa Nyoba because of Ogechi. Eh? You suddenly love Ifa Nyoba because of Ogechi. You will be the first to call her. I challenge you. I challenge you to come on Facebook and challenge those people who said never Yoba connive with in house. No, it's saboteur. I challenge you to talk back at those people. I am asking you, did you shut your ear? National tego mbende mmadu kwuru na Ifa Nyoba connive na government ego Jebunata Ogechi Jebunata Mazi Nnamdi Kanu no a saboteur call that even when his convoy our convoy yegbe na Nkwenugugu people were still wishing him no nwawu. I am asking you that even while convoy if I knew baby, some people they wish no, don't say this is your opinion. Let us be reasonable. It can be your opinion. It can be your opinion. Since you are now interested, you are now a Oba family, and you are now a member of Oba's family, and you have suddenly developed that soft spot for Ogechi. Let us now talk about everything that has been said against him. I ask you now the question. So, did you hear when he was accused of no connive with the government by Webunata Mazi Nnamdi Kanu from Kenya? Ana majuga juju. Were you also here? People were sympathizing with him. No deserve. Did you also hear when people were celebrating and jubilating Mbongo? Did you hear it on Facebook? Did you hear? Did you hear it? Did you hear it? You see, you are only interested in Ifo Ogechi Kuru because of Ogechi. One more comment for you, I will block you. Since you are not making sense, since I have seen that you are just speaking for your emotionally hatred in Ogechi, listen to my broadcast and don't comment again. It is the only advice I will give you. Listen to my broadcast. Don't ever comment again. If you comment again, another blocking immediately. I don't operate with emotion. Lie. I don't. I don't operate with emotion. that even Ogechi na JPAC na abu onwe ha. Most of you. Okay, Harrison, it's obvious. Off you go. Bye bye. Wolu fake account bata. You fake account bata. E wash was you off man. Man, he drop one of that thing. He shop kwa blocking. You want to go? You want to go? Okay. Another Ifeanyi Uba lover that never existed when Ifeanyi Uba was alive. I've commented again. I block you again. You want to go? I want, in fact, I want all those people. You want to go? I want all those lovers of Ifeanyi Uba who began to love Ifeanyi Uba after Onwuru. All those people who began to love Ifeanyi Uba because of Ogechi. Why I am blocking those who are asking about Ogechi, I will be blocking you people immediately. Brother, level your argument, okay? Mark John, Dalo. I have leveled the argument. You want to go? I've leveled the argument. You want to go? For the Imunu Shena, you are okay. Okachana, some people, Yamada Fafa, senseless name we see. Atoro. Ogechi no to Ogechi na abane. Ifini ninye na JPAC na anogo. They go to the page eba na koto Ogechi na nke JPAC na enwanyole na eme thumbs up. Chiso mama ya puta from morning till night. Ogido Ogechi urere ipu Chicago iru eba na say I love your story. Nya ine thumb up e na kori aka e na say right on. E na say right on. Yet e ha like if Ogechi na-ekwu. Yeah? You people think that na man ine ya puta na emegheri etu nu si emegheri. Odiche na man ine emegheri etu nu si emegheri. I said if you are against Etoga, if you can be against Etoga, be against Etoga for all. Once Okeke to Oga, a cover Okeke, Oga for Abia to Oga, a black you one day, you will as far as I'm concerned. So if you are against insulting our brothers, you should go after anybody. Palele umunai, whether umuwoke or umuwine. You want to go? You should be again. Man, say no, pota, support wonya. There are no illusion and konya. Sisi buebu. Makononya is si buebu. Welunde furiananya. You want to go? Ana majo ajujo. Makononya is si buziebu. But you can condemn. Okay, Malike, Evelyn Annie. Ogechi has been in Nigeria 4 to 5 months. Are you people contributed in her program? If not, she could have settled with people. I want to before my block. In an account, okay, you must have 10,000 naira an account. But you are bothered about Ogechi being in Nigeria for 5 to 6 months. And you hate Korea. It should go down a problem. Yet, you are having problem with us. Who brought her to Nigeria? If you win a flave, off you go. Off you go. The other go. Off you go. The other go. Shibus are bright. Shibus are bright. Don't drop another comment ever. You drop another comment ever, I block you immediately. Yes. You drop another comment here, I will block you immediately. I told me how you patronize your message to send it, I block you immediately. You ought to go. Okay. Off you go again. Nobody got EJ draw attention more and more block before. So you shop blocking again. But I go again. You ought to go. Okay? My brother will go. Please, can we learn to forgive you? So that preaching, is it for who now? Is it for who? That Nanguma na-asị na ezu ugo na-ejubileti na-arrest Matthias bịakwazi na-enwe aṅụrị na-arrest Ogechi. Kedu ife dị iche n'ebe mụ na agụ nọ? Ife dị iche n'ebe mụ na agụ nọ wụ na like Matthias, I like omume. Yes, he hate Ogechi, like Ogechi. So can you tell me ife dị iche n'ebe mụ na agụ nọ? Ebe ịmụ ife. Can you tell me if no? Some of you, your mothers are worse than Ogechi. Your sisters are worse than Ogechi. Some of your brothers are worse than Ogechi. Worse than Ogechi. Have you thrown them all away? I am asking you a question. Have you thrown them all away? Because they are either your sister or nke or dina ano or wanyi na ano or one neunafo. But some of you in person, you are, because when you comment, I automatically know who you are. Onye oku na soyi nante. Manke nkuru ya soyoyi. Manke nkuru ya soyoyi. Mankuno na kuru ya soyoyi. Nke nkuru aya soyoyi nante. You put the same thing or to nante. You are showing us who you are. Kiruka Mmesikuo Okeke Nwa esimezugo ni ekwu alo. Mr. Okonkwo ekuzi ezugo nwa ise no deserve ya. Iwezimo mmadu. Everybody wants Onyoona to reason from their own angle. And that is why onye puto say na in a government I know dictatorship. Now a president think a dictator will instrument of power now. He will go after his enemies. What does it make him? What does it make him? No Diego na one day mother okuka. Na Chineke ya marry that money. Kenye kene quarter of ego nyaji. You will go after your enemies. What does it make you? Because you don't have that money at that time, at that particular moment. Does it mean that if you have that money, you cannot do times 100 what that person have done? So you see, everybody wants you to reason from their own angle. Yes. Evelyn is that is your business. You want to go? Let me even block you. One touch. Ogechi is bad. Ogechi is back. Angel. Ogechi is this. Ogechi is this. Angel, okay? Angel in human form. Man, he did her comment. He goes through. Yeah? How can you tell me that you was mad, but you have never condemned one thing out of even JPAC Ogechi? It's only was mad. How can you tell me he was mad, but a condemned one thing out of even the how Ogechi ne about Ogechi? How boy akone call haka? How boy me call haka? If you will only know the meaning of akuna when you hear it from one Ogechi. Yeah. You will only know the meaning of Eberima when you hear Ogechi say it. You will only understand what it means when it comes from Ogechi. But when you hear it from Chisom, it will make a lot of meaning to you. Okay, if I go, since this is my page, you can now gradually leave. You came here yourself. I did not bring you here. I continue with my normal program. And let me make it clear. Let me make it clear. I've said this before and I'm saying it again. If you are following me on my page, if you expect that we must agree on anything, I am not your son. I'm not even your brother. So it is not left for you to program my life the way I should live it. Oh, no. You started following me with reason. Don't forget that that's the same video that made you follow me, made many people to unfollow me. The same video that made you, the same stand that made you love me. There are people who hated me for that. So actually, like you that this is also my stand. Many people who followed me because of my stand, maybe y'all and me, following me, I'm not here to patronize you. Otherwise, I will go into proper content in those name. I do content just to get to, but I make sense the best way I understand things. It is good if this particular topic will make no sense to you. Probably tomorrow, another one may make sense to you. That is it. So I am not here to patronize you. So if you are expecting if you parish priest agree go with him 100%, or even in one can I agree with. No, yeah, agree 100%. Who am I to you? I'm asking you. Who am I to you? So you people should stop this bully on Facebook. That is what I call it. Some of you they make emotionally, some of you they use tricks. But you don't know. You want people to think the way you think. You want people to behave the way you behave. Why will make it? Why will they make 100% what you say? And I'm exactly 100% the t-shirt. And I'm he may make 100% into negotiation onto now. Why do you think you can wield the same influence over Munyo? I am asking you, and this is a question. If you want to be reasonable, you can understand what I'm saying. If you want to be reasonable, you can understand what I am saying. If you want all this, if I am on Facebook to stop, sleep and wake up and condemn what is evil without minding who is saying that or who did it. Ogechi meye, condemn moye. Jepak meye, condemn moye. Shiso meye, condemn moye. Anybody meye, condemn moye. But if you master the art of always condemning those you perceive to be Undiluted, and you think you can manipulate me to do the same thing with you, I will tell you, my brother and my sister, it is not going to be possible. It is not going to be possible. Condemn what is evil. Yes. I have said it before, and I will say it again at this broadcast. Politics is a dirty game. Politics is a dirty game. What makes politics a dirty game? And what is politics, by the way? Politics is never a dirty game. But this mentality I know in Africa here is what made politics in Africa here a dirty game. Can you find you like that? Because politics in a simple term can be just a way of reconciling different conflicting interests into a common interest. And what is that common interest? That common good, that goal, that aim. That is what it is. My interest may not be right in a matter. Your interest may not be right in the same matter. But there is one common interest in that same matter, which is the truth. Which is the truth. But because of the interest I have in that matter, because of your interest also, you say to my dear, politics is just a way of boycotting your interest, seeing something reasonable I can pick from your interest, pick from this one, and reconcile it to that common truth. It is difficult to be done in Africa here. That is why politics here in Juwedo called very dirty, because it is only based on interest. If you don't agree on that interest, you are perceived to be an opponent. That is the truth you don't want to look at. You are not after Ogechi because of what he said against JPAC. If you are after Ogechi because of Ifokulu against JPAC, you will also be against what JPAC said about Ogechi. That is the truth. That is the truth. Because you cannot tell me that everything JPAC said about Ogechi, the right. You cannot tell me that. But you are willing to join anybody who wakes up to fight Ogechi. Not because no one for Ogechi personally, but because of a perceived hatred in your born. She hasn't even offended you directly, but because of what you heard, because of so many things, you don't even know where it started from. And you are willing to connive with anybody. Emma can say broadcasting game, Merenka, Michanka, about another thing. So Mona be a cow called Mamangoson and the yard. All the one need in a milk, about one quoye, or even name, one car mania. Ea fundelina ho. Serena na oppresse Matthias. Ya funderina sereo. Kerifa neja Abuja ejeku. Eba yeku na Anambra. Ya funderina sereo na ndi Igbo nuo ha na emenwo onwe ha. Igbos don't love themselves. You will see all those people coming out to celebrate the arrest of Ogechi. Now, do you think that in Nahadu against all those things, Fanny? The answer is no. What is the answer? It just happened to their favorite person, which is their area of interest. Are they believing now that my interest will be the same thing with them? No. So what we are having on Facebook is just clash of interest. Yes, it's just clash of interest. It is not that you are interested in the truth. It is just clash of interest. That is what it is. Yes, and until the day some of us will wake up and we will say, okay, if saga will end on Facebook. It will end on Facebook. Because Mr. Okeke military wo even we go suwedo naka Mr. Okafo ekoshono Mr. Okafo ekukwa even we go suwedo aba Mr. Okeke ekoshono hafuna n'ifo Johnny na ha na-ekwu na ụna support Rozie. You want to go? No na support Rozie. Then all these things will stop. But if you think you will stop it by teaming up against this person, if I don't know, Nigel Okeke Kowa television, I say, yeah, no mistake. If you was able to for Kowa the same television, it was each day Kebo. Kerum major each way arrive. na onye nke izu mistake ka o mere mana onye nke bụ adụ careless. The same thing ka ha na-abụ committed, but you gave different judgment. You other go. Anyway, like I said, Adonyelu Ogam na today there will be no motion. I suppose we may be online, but I decided to come because make it on the buy you phone on Facebook. You people will see a different blogger. Actually, money is go my favorite. Yes, you cannot. I can man may reduce someone on Facebook into doing your own bidding on go button on Facebook. Why did you start following me in the first place? Is it not because na mu something? If I encourage you like him, a mama don't just see what is in Quebec. Enjoy your talk. Now this guy is brave. Man, the guy exercise the other bravery in another place like you. It's like oh. How can we continue in that manner? I am asking you. How can we continue in that manner? You support this one here, you go against it here. For example, Okeke gui odoma, Okafo gui odoma, man iteta zula si Okafo go Okeke, man Okeke akon Ogafi, emona nongu wole eje chifere. But on Okeke go Okafi, he condemn we. Okafo go Okeke, he condemn we. Okeke no Okafa, man ni di dum adoroma. Ha ko say gwe. Man if say badolo Okafi is here go Okeke, no Okeke deserve ke egbo. Then if Mohammed go one need to get choice for the acho or the idea. So I believe it will help us along the way. Truth is the only thing that we serve, and end even this thing or saga na Facebook. Because many now they put a print poster RIP post on Facebook. The same go one on celebrate here. E just say me from we go so we be bia condemn ye. E bia condemn ye. Chukwanu no nwu na ajuju. Chukwanu no nwu na ajuju na ndị Igbo na asị na gbala felo oke owula ala. Ndị Hausa na Facebook. Ndị Yoruba na Facebook. When you go to Facebook and you see them, they talk about real issues. They talk about real issues, bordering on their land, bordering on realities how they face. But ndị Igbo anako confusion between people. Yeah? Anako confusion between people. Onye mude nwanne obiaye. Enwe camp A, camp B, anapia to see Fenide. Don't Anibo. One day. Asam bika know. Ezioku Echore ekwuru nnake unu wa ube eziokwu maka ọda atọ ụtọ. Onye si benara na ofe mmesi atọ ụtọ. Isi nne unu ofe osiri atọ ụtọ eziokwu ka ikwuru. Mana ọtọ ụtọ igbe na ọtọrọ ụtọ ọhụ ga ka ịtụrụ. Kedu ife iji wee gbe na ofe ịtọrọ ụtọ wanyị na ọtọ ụtọ. Ọ maka na ịgba ya eziokwu ma mado na ofe atọ ụtọ. Ịma na ikolu n'okwu. Onye ahụ ife ha na-agwa. So here in Africa, we enjoy a polished lies. Asietelu powder. Or if I enjoy. Kiyesi, we do with ajuju we potese. Ogishia in Africa ekwensu. Ndị niile a na-ekwu na ha like it on ha hụ mmadụ. Mụ and we move from my own point. Ajụkwa m sị. Chinonso, by generator. Ọkụ ọdụdụ. Eh? You want to go? So, ajụkwa m onwe m wee sị, Matthias ya m na-ekwu n'ọdụ etu a n'ọdụ etu a. Ụfọdụ ndị mmadụ na-eje na peji Matthias si ya ride on. Ụfọdụ same message m na-asị na ọ dịrọ mma ka some people na-ejekwa na-asị ride on nwa Chineke, ride on nwa Chineke. Ịghọtara ife m na-ekwu? Mana iwepụ eze ugo dere Matthias na nkọ, you will see the truth. You will see the truth. The truth is there. O nwere ife, emotion and sentiment will not allow you to say the truth. Enwere onye ohi ka a condemn onye na ozuru ohi. Ọrụ ọdụkwanụ ọfụrụ ọrụ ghara ịlụ. That is being emotional and sentimental. Ị na-ezu ohi mbụ ngụnwa, onye nyere ọrụ ị na-alụ. Nobody gave you that job. You simply see, or you simply saw that the crime is not good. They abstain away from it. So that is being emotional. Instead of you to condemn that act out of emotion and sentiment, you will look for something to even, oh my God. So celebrate arrest of Ogechi. I don't care. In I've been on my page, arrest Ogechi. I don't care. I don't care. What I go, what I know is that any support I know I can give to Ogechi, I will gladly do that. With reason. I know you are not after her because you are seeking for justice. I know you are after her because you want to take a pound of flesh. I know if you are after her because you want to seek for justice, you will also be after other people. Because justice cannot be, the justice in Akwa Ibom is the same justice in Nnewi. It is the same justice in Lagos. Ibu mmadụ na Lagos wụrụ na ọdụrọ mma na Ekiti, ọdụrọ mma na Nnewi. Onye jezi na Lagos dị mma bịa na Nnewi, ọya dị mma. That is the truth. That is the truth which you must face. So if at all you want to end saga na Facebook, Okeke kwuo ife adọ mma maka Okonkwo, condemn Okonkwo ahụ ị na-ese, you can correct me and still, you can disagree with me and still like me. Are you not aware? I disagree with a lot of my fans on some issues. Just like when the issue of Very Dark Man came up, there were some of my fans who, somebody like Ononseluaka na-eso, but Ononseluaka, we disagree on issue of VDM. That does not mean that we are fighting. That does not mean that we must quarrel over it. Yeah. You want to go? We can disagree on issue without fighting over it. Don't you know? ụfọdụ ya akpọ nsị m na-ezugo no if you kwukworo maka vidiyo ma ọ dụọ mma if you kwukworo maka onye I disagree with you. Mr. Patrick, you are here watching. You get broadcast many far that day. Mr. Patrick, you called me, told me no, ezugo on this one I disagree with you, and it is there. But ọwụrụ na nkwuo maka Okeke likere nkwuozie maka Okafor echi niile ise ezugo n'iwu onye ala just like Mexico. He simply turned Jackson simply because not for Amuro Ogechi Okeke. And that is somebody who used to follow my page every minute on they follow my page. Now I say, ride on, carry on. You don't even know how to manage relationship, but you are going after Ogechi. You don't even know how to. So you cannot disagree with your brother on an issue on account one day. You cannot disagree with your blood sister na issue go na ya account one day. So you must fight because you disagree with the person. If you understand this, there will be less problem on Facebook. You want to go? There will be less problem on Facebook because you cannot force me into believing what you believe in. I have a way I draw conclusion. Okay. Give me Joseph Okafor. I will block you right away. Advisor. Ban immediately. I don't want you. I don't even care if you decide to hide your this thing into a other go. I don't care. Because you must be part of Ifemneku. You must be part of Ifemneku. How else can you be talking about advising Ogechi? Have you ever advised the people in Nwoku? I'm asking you. Yeah? Have you ever advised? Can you go and show me one video or one comment? Ebe Ijegolu Nanda Hano Ogechi Nwoku. Go and say, Mba, if you don't know, and I will run a 1 hour broadcast addressing Ogechi publicly. Yes. Show me one. If I don't do it, Marona Mahezugo. Show me one. Ebi Fudamalo, I'm on a WhatsApp group, na Facebook ever. No Kumako Ogechi, iwe bi eba we say ha biko ni funu na ekwu adoroma. No one also laughing emoji. I love emoji. Ki ade Sunday. Because to you, o deserve everything on him. O deserve for you. Enjoy Diego juice, say fried rice, and enjoy the arrest of Ogechi. Be rest assured that people like us stand with her. Yes, people like us with her. Yes, it is what it is. Yes. So I will know na mo na go do mma. Iwe fi iwo na do mma mo na Ogechi. Yeah, maybe oto mo na na ato. It is your business. It is your business because I don't even know many people gonna have friends. Yes, I may not like some of them, but it's not my business. I may disagree with some of them, but it's not my business. So if you decide to take it on a personal level, it is your business and not mine. You get the point? It is the kind of thing on Facebook, a community where we disagree on issues and still remain brothers and sisters. If you don't understand that game, you can argue with your brothers in the house, argue with your sisters in the house. That does not change the fact that they are still your sisters, they are still your brothers. You merely disagreed with them on some issues. Friends do argue. And when you are arguing based on what you believe in. The other person is arguing based on what he believes in. You are sharing ideas. You are disagreeing with ideas. There is nothing personal about it. We are talking about ever water. Na another mmiri kere nke ka mma from ever water and the mmiri eni kere nke ka mma gbarala ntu ewa anu ofia uwe ewa atụrụ ever water ngo na arụ ihe eji wee were wenu sa nwanne ya ọgụ ana m ajụ ajụjụ nunu ihe esisi anya gwuru maka J Park wenu so Ogechi ọgụ J Park ọ dị ọbala mmiri Ogechi maka J Park Ogechi ahada mmiri. Man, if you were there 2 hours because they now support to J Park without I don't use J Park where I'm at. I cannot call everybody, but I don't use J Park because no who J Park is so we need now the arrest of January. So in a support to J Park, it showed me for the Kuron. Man, against so in our support to Ogechi without our mind the Ogechi the Kuron. Even Neku Obarale, you hate her upon Yas. Oh, me go na own. Ma benu hilo. Oh, melolu hilo. Yellow. Only yellow milo can banu undemuna ha. Can banu undemuna anwe kosi wedo ka mani yellow talamilo. Yellow talamilo and the melo talamilo. You are not even my friend. Why do you want me to fight your battles for you? Eh? Ana ma ajụjụ. And then you kwa na ajụjụ na do man esariasa. Let us stop this nonsense because so we see this nonsense. So we say this nonsense. The earlier you have to the better. Eh? Sometimes men even the Igbo na-eme ihu akwụkwọ ifere ha na-eme men even the Igbo na-eme ihu akwụkwọ ifele ha na-eme and I feel ashamed. Esedo na mụ onye Igbo ọkwefa ya mmadụ mechi ha anya n'ọnwụ nke ha aga mmadụ ka ije nita mmadụ ka ije doi na today kpochie nke ha aga abado mmadụ aja nke ha aga abadu ha mmadụ aja na nke ha ga nye ka mmadụ ya apụta n'ọrụ gado na azọgụnụ. Anyway, my people, I think I won't go far. I won't go further on this broadcast. It is merely to tell people that there is no cause for alarm. You got to go. There is no cause for alarm. Ogechi is fine. Ogechi abaho no. You got to go. Okay, what that same arrest. Emerundos agwara go na arrest. Aplo nya we fa na. You got to go. What that same arrest ka arrest Ogechi. So they are free to rejoice, but by God's grace, everything will be under control. Okay, come on, bossy. I shall not need to call a spade and stop calling it shovel simply because it is in your backyard. That is the day I have been liberated from this thing. I don't even know how it came into existence in the first place. I don't know how it came into existence in the first place. And for as long as some people want to choke join I don't have that time. I don't have that time, that kind of time the mother let devote. Yeah? What I go? For the no disaster come on a family only. When you want to come to Facebook to come and claim what one thing you don't do. Owono ni Ogechi na-ekwu na ntị na asọmpi mana Nkechi so mama na-ekwu na mara mma ịma na ịhụ mmadụ. Who are you to love her and you tell me to hate Ogechi? Onye ka ewu inweluche ịlọvụrụ ya asọgwọngwụ gba ya si o but ana m asị ebe ịla ekele ya kedu ihe ejizi asị onye ọzọ hate Ogechi gbakene m ife oge na-ekwu Chisom bụ I want you to tell me one. Yeah? Can you tell me one? Man, ilu ebe ni isi onye a ride on. Man, ibe zi ebe isi onye a si shuwe ka egbuo. The same Igbo nke Ogechi na-ekwu ka nye nwe na-ekwu. Man, ilu ebe ni na-akụrụ ya aka. Iluzie n'ọnụ Ogechi ebe ịma na ọ dụrụ mma, why can't you condemn it into onye akwụ egwe na n'ọkwa otu ife ahụ ife anyị na-anụ onye akwụ egwe kwa onye anọkwa otu ife aka anyị na-anụ n'ọkwa nya ka ị na-eme ịghọtago onye ọwụ na-amara nnọọ nwere ife na fight for ka ọwụ nnọọ onye nke akwụ nke ọdụrụ mana onye nke jee ebe ahụ jee na kọmentị ya ịrụ oke ife ndị na-asị I love you. You are a superwoman. You are nka. You are nka. Na-ewu nka. But Ogechi use exact same word. You will understand the meaning. The difference between that is the people you are seeing. Take those people away and judge that thing, Hanegu. You will condemn it outrightly. That is my point. You will not see it, but you know it. You will not see it, but my happiness is that you know it. Ndị Igbo. Okay. Ị afụkwa ndị soro onye gburu nwanne ya ahụ odogwu. In this case of Ogechi, onye gburu nwanne ya yenye ya award. Ai Chineke. Ike gburu. Ana m amụ ndị Igbo amụ. Akụzayon na-eji polisi intimidate ndị be anyị. Akụzayon na-intimidate ndị be anyị. Ọkwa the same those people. So na Akụzayon na-eji polisi intimidate ndị be anyị. Ọkwa those same people ji polisi achụ Ogechi. Nke Ogechi ahụzi intimidation. Ịghọtara? Nke Ogechi ahụzikwa intimidation o. My mom ya sị agwa na aka mma na eke tụọ ya. O nwere onye ya wafụ dọla n'aka ọ wụrụ nya afọ ya n'aka nwote nkwụ ọdụka akwụkwọ ka afụrụ ọdụka akwụkwọ bred ka afụrụ. I chetara ife ha kwuru about Akụzayon those days. Akụzayon no polisi na ndị Zayon nwu polisi ka ha ji intimidate ndị mmadụ yarara ha akpọ polisi. It is the same people who are celebrating the same thing. They were condemning them. What is the difference here? They supported Ijele against Zion. So, when even that made the farmer, right now, they are supporting Onya against Onya. So, Ebefano, anything can happen. Ome in an opposite direction. That is the only way. Emana onye mmadụ ụla ama ụla si afụ. Until na amaghị ụla eji wee sị na ogbu mma aha ekwe ewuru mma gee n'azụ. But how long are we going to continue to live this kind of selfish lifestyle? You. Also Okeke n'ụwa. Even na nnewu ya. Also Okeke ilu na Akwa Ibom mmadụ ka nkụ. We reason differently. How can we coexist despite the fact that we are reasoning differently? We say now the best way we can coexist peacefully ịmara ife ya wee mee ọdụ ọrụ mma emekwana ya onye ọzọ. na na-emechasịcha ife ahụ mmadụ na-eme ihe n'ọdụ mma mee ma na-astọdịchasịcha na m ndị be anyị na Facebook fụ na ife ndị mmadụ na-eme ewu ife ha ma na-eme ha n'ọya adụfa mma. How can you condemn Zion for coming to Mkpọ to arrest Matthias? Then you clap for the people who arrested Ogechi and took her to Mkpọ, and you are celebrating her arrest now in Abuja. How? How can you be against the people who arrested Matthias, but you are clapping and jubilating because Ogechi was arrested? How can you be a campaigner of free VDM, boycott GTB Bank, GT Bank? This is oppression. How can you be against the arrest of VDM and you are celebrating the arrest of Ogechi? Between these things are people who are influencing your decision. You are not even taking that decision because that is your stand. You are taking that decision because of people who are involved. In a nutshell, a man na akpọ ashawo no na ewe akpọzi n'oge ashawo. A man na akpọ onye ohi na like here. Akpọzi n'oge onye ohi. A man na ifu ebe Ogechi na akpọ ndị mmadụ ashawo na ya like ifu ebe a na akpọ ya ashawo caution wonder. Because all na ashawo the bad. Where the woman deserve ka akpọ ya. All the woman the bad. Where any person deserve ka akpọ ya. So, a marry fame man email or ya do woman. Emena you know so. Na nile just stay far maro na eme ye no adoma na ye ko ya we mekwa ye echi iburu ye mo kari ye ba ka ba ya mara ima ta shifoni